In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Loom video. We'll start inside your Loom workspace. Head to your Loom videos library and locate the video you want to use. This could be a demo, a proposal, or any video where you want viewers to book time with you. Open that video so you're on its individual page. Then enter the editing mode by clicking Edit. This is where you can add interactive elements that encourage viewers to take action. In the editor, look for the option to add a link. Loom provides a call to action button you can place on your video, and that's what we'll use to connect your scheduling page. Click Add a link to open the button settings. Now, switch over to Calendly in a new tab and navigate to your event types. Choose the specific meeting you want people to book, like a 15-minute intro or a demo call. Click to copy the booking link. Using a single, dedicated event link helps you control availability and questions, and keeps your calendar organized. Jump back to Loom and paste that Calendly link into the button link field. This tells the button exactly where to send your viewers. Next, update the button text so it's clear and inviting. Something like, schedule a call, book a demo, or get on my calendar works great. Keep it short and action-oriented so viewers know exactly what will happen. You can also adjust where the button appears on the video. Place it where it's visible but not distracting. The lower corner is usually a safe bet. Then customize the button color and text color to match your brand or to create enough contrast for accessibility. High contrast improves readability on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the link, label, placement, and styling, click Save. This publishes your changes to the video, so anyone with access will see the updated call to action. Finally, test it. On the video page, click the button, often labeled Schedule Now, after your update, and make sure it opens your Calendly event in a new tab. Confirm that the event name, duration, and availability look correct. If anything is off, return to the editor or Calendly to adjust. Pro tip: consider watching a few seconds of the video before clicking the button to ensure it doesn't interfere with subtitles or key visuals. That's it. You've successfully linked your Calendly booking page to your Loom video, making it easier for viewers to move from watching to scheduling in one seamless step.